Introducing Diablo's ultimate concrete drilling solution. The AMPED Rebar Demon Dust Extraction Hammer Drill Bits. Featuring the pinnacle of innovation with Diablo's 4-cutter full Duracarbide head. These bits deliver unmatched durability and productivity. A tri-metal fusion welding ensures up to 7 times longer lifespan than standard 2-cutter bits. Ideal for both clean and reinforced concrete, Diablo's heat-resistant design handles high temperatures effortlessly. Paired with a patented dust extraction system, eliminating up to 97% of dust particles. Speeding up drilling by up to 3 times compared to conventional methods. Get clean holes every time without pausing to blow, brush, or blow again. This system combines drilling and dust extraction, reducing labor by up to 66%. Forget about bit breakage and unlock unlimited drilling potential and dust removal in one easy step. Get fast, clean holes again and again. Get amped.